10 Best Bed Cover for Ram 1500 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Ram 1500 Rear Stake Pocket Covers 2019 to 2026. Say goodbye to frustrating debris and grime filling your Ram 1500's rear stake pockets. Our custom-fit covers are the ultimate solution. Meticulously designed for your 2019 to 2026 Ram 1500, these covers provide a true, like-a-glove, fit, sitting perfectly flush with your truck bed rail. This isn't just about looks. It creates a robust, gap-free barrier, effectively locking out pesky dirt, dust, and leaves. Crafted from high-quality, waterproof ABS plastic, they're incredibly tough, anti-dirty, and a breeze to clean. Installation is literally a snap, just a few taps, and they're securely in place. Elevate your truck's aesthetic and protection effortlessly with this essential, long-lasting upgrade. Number 9. TruXport Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Ram 1500 5 feet 7 inches No Rambox. Ready to upgrade your Ram 1500, 2009, 2018, or 2019 to 2020 classic 5 feet 7 inches bed without Rambox. The TruXport Soft Roll-Up Tonneau is engineered for a better fit, ensuring a relentlessly tight seal that prevents curling thanks to our exclusive Sure Tension control system. No manual adjustments needed. You'll love the peace of mind knowing your gear is secure. Our patented RTX grip and automatic slam latch system keep your cover steadfastly closed in any conditions. Durability? Absolutely. The long-lasting, tear-resistant RTX vinyl maintains its gloss and resists fading, looking great for years. Plus, accessing your bed is now a breeze with the upgraded Easy Grab pull handle, allowing opening from either side. Assembled with pride in the USA, this cover delivers unmatched quality and convenience. Number 8. Dodge Ram Short Bed Low Profile Hard Aluminum Trifold Tonneau. Elevate your 2002 to 2009 Dodge Ram 6.5-foot short bed with our hard aluminum trifold tonneau cover. Custom engineered for a perfect fit, this cover instantly upgrades your truck's utility and style. Its sleek, low-profile design enhances aesthetics, aerodynamics, and even fuel efficiency. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum, it offers robust protection, supporting up to 300 pounds on top. Your cargo remains safe from dust, rain, and snow, thanks to an advanced weather strip and drainage system. Security is paramount. A secure latch lock and reinforced twist clamps are only accessible when your tailgate is lowered, ensuring peace of mind. Enjoy easy bed access and unmatched durability, making this a practical and stylish investment for your Ram. Number 7. 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500 6.4-foot hard trifold tonneau cover. Elevate your 2019 to 2022 Ram 1500 new body 6.4-foot bed with our hard trifold tonneau cover. Its sleek, flush mount design seamlessly integrates, enhancing aerodynamics and your truck's profile. Crafted from premium aluminum panels and frame, this cover offers unmatched weather protection, keeping your gear dry and secure from rain, snow, and dust, thanks to a heavy-duty seal and smart drainage. The robust trifold system supports up to 300 pounds and features a reinforced twist clamp mechanism, accessible only with your tailgate down, providing unparalleled anti-theft security. Protect your cargo, enhance efficiency, and add a premium, functional upgrade to your Ram 1500, the smart choice for any discerning owner. Designed for optimal fit with your truck's original factory bed surface. Number 6. Low-profile hard aluminum trifold Ram tonneau. Elevate your Ram's utility and style with our low-profile hard aluminum trifold tonneau. Specifically engineered for 1994 to 2001 Ram 1500 1994 to 2002 Ram 2500/3500 6.5-foot short beds, this cover offers a sleek, flush mount design that instantly enhances your truck's aerodynamics and appearance. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum, it provides robust security, safeguarding your cargo from theft and the elements. The innovative trifold system, featuring a secure latch and twist clamps accessible only with the tailgate down, delivers unmatched peace of mind. With a durable weather strip and integrated drainage, your gear stays dry. Plus, it supports up to 300 pounds and is chase rack compatible. For a perfect fit, we recommend using your factory bed surface. Number 5. Dodge Ram 1500 Heavy-Duty All-Weather Truck Cover. Give your Dodge Ram 1500 2009 2026 Quad Cab Short Bed, the ultimate defense it deserves with our Dezintro heavy-duty all-weather truck cover. Engineered for a custom fit, this cover offers unrivaled, tailored protection that perfectly contours your truck. Its heavy-duty PE exterior and aluminum membrane ensure 100% waterproofing and superior durability against rain, UV, dust, and extreme temperatures year-round. Experience convenience with the driver's side zipper for quick cabin access, while the double-layer cotton interior safeguards your paintwork from scratches. 3 reinforced wind straps keep it securely in place, even in Beaufort 10 winds. Complete with a bonus storage bag and towel, and backed by a 24-month warranty, this cover is built for lasting protection and your peace of mind. Number 4, X-Cover, 5 feet 6 inches truck and trailer bed cover. Tired of wrestling with flimsy tarps and unreliable bungee cords? Meet the X-Cover 5 feet 6 inches, your cargo's ultimate protector, designed to forever replace those old frustrations. Crafted from water-resistant, UV-resistant material, it's built tough to ensure your gear stays safe and sound, trip after trip. Forget the fuss. Simply cover, attach the integrated heavy-duty hooks, cinch the webbing, and you're highway ready in minutes. No more snapping bungees or flapping tarps, just secure, silent transport. When you're done, it packs away neatly into its convenient storage bag. With 10 integrated tie-down straps, this X-Cover offers unparalleled peace of mind for your 5 feet 6 inches truck or trailer bed. Number 3, Ram 1500 Rambox Hard Retractable Tonneau. Elevate your Ram 1500 with Rambox with the Cineticusa Mr. Retractable Hard Tonneau. Engineered specifically for 2009 to 2026 Ram 1500s, 5 feet 7 inches bed, Rambox equipped. It offers a flawless, factory-like fit that truly complements your truck. Rest easy knowing your valuable cargo is fully protected. Our double locking system provides ultimate security against theft, giving you complete peace of mind. Plus, integrated seals and smart drainage keep everything inside dust-free and dry, no matter the weather. Need more versatility? The integrated T-slot side rails are ready for your racks and crossbars, expanding your hauling options. Accessing your bed is effortless with its smooth, retractable function. Built from durable, powder-coated aluminum, it supports up to 500 pounds and boasts a sleek, long-lasting finish. Number 2. BAKFlip MX4 Ram 6 feet 4 inches hard folding tonneau cover. Ready to elevate your Ram's utility and style? The BAKFlip MX4 hard folding tonneau cover is meticulously engineered for your 2002 to 2024 Ram 1500 and 2500/3500 6 feet 4 inches bed, proudly made in the USA. Experience ultimate security with its robust aluminum panels that automatically latch, keeping your cargo safely secured once your tailgate is closed. This isn't just secure, it's stunning. The premium matte finish resists scratches and UV damage, ensuring your truck always looks its best. Need to haul something big? Enjoy 100% bed access. Simply fold it up without obstructing your third brake light. Plus, the dual-action tailgate seal means effortless tailgate operation. Get the ultimate blend of security, style, and functionality. Number 1. Ram Automatic Retract Hard Tonneau Cover. Upgrade your 2002 to 2026 Ram 1500 6 feet 4 inches bed with the Ram Automatic Retract Hard Tonneau Cover, blending security, durability, and convenience. Enjoy effortless access to your truck bed thanks to its smooth retractable function for instant utility and robust protection. It's a fortress for your cargo. The innovative automatic locking system provides unmatched security, while integrated dust and waterproof seals, with drainage, guarantee your gear stays pristine. Built from heavy-duty aluminum, supporting up to 500 pounds, it offers rock-solid protection. T-slot side rails unlock endless cargo possibilities. Its sleek, low-profile, UV-protected design enhances your Ram's aesthetic while shrugging off the toughest elements for lasting performance. So, that sums up my 10 best bed cover for Ram 1500. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next